you're installing yours, don't do this to the gasket. It seals better when the gasket doesn't look like that. So the water pump was leaking, bad enough to cause this to get totally drenched, made the alternator stop working, which is why the battery voltage dropped to nothing. It didn't kill it, just temporarily killed it. As soon as it's cleaned off, well, it's not that clean, it kind of cleaned off and dried out, it worked again just fine. I got him. Oh, come on. Give me the thing. Oh. Give me it. Give it. With my hand. Record. It has a top and a bottom. I tried to put it in wrong first time with this part being the bolt that's kind of up towards the top. This actually goes toward the bottom more like that. It has a little, flare out right here. This one's more flat. Otherwise the bolts won't line up. So I use this stuff. Probably not necessary, but I figured why not. I was already into it that deep. And no, this is not my natural skin tone. So there's a lot of residual moisture, but that's just from the fan shroud. water pump is not actually leaking.